welcome to my channel. In this channel I produce videos on the latest technologies, job vacancies and scholarships and fellowships from different universities and countries. In the present video I would like to talk about four major differences between Python and JavaScript programming languages. Python and JavaScript are both powerful programming languages playing an integral role in software development. Even though both are subject-oriented languages, their scope, use cases and approach vary. Anyone with basic knowledge of programming languages understands the importance of choosing the right language in best software development practices. Python and JavaScript both are renewed languages with many similarities and some significant differences. Before we understand their similarities and differences, let us explore the two languages in brief. Python. Due to its robust nature and versatility, Python is now an integral tool in almost every scientific app developed across the globe. It's widely used as a general purpose programming language that supports a wide range of programming scenarios including scientific and specialized apps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, image processing and more. It has also gained mass popularity as a programming language for web development. This is where Python versus JavaScript battle begins. Python is a high-level programming language with dynamic semantics. It is primarily used for back-end development and areas the users often don't get to see, like the server side of apps. Python flexibility allows programmers the freedom to choose from a wide range of programming variables required for developing both basic and advanced programs. Then JavaScript. While Python is for the backend, JavaScript can be used for both front-end and back-end application development. JavaScript's versatility makes it a preferred choice for web development. It has been standardized as per ECMA script language guidelines, which ensures seamless operation of web pages across browsers. Also, the dynamic functionality that JavaScript offers helps it stand out from other languages like HTML and CSS. JavaScript, when combined with Node.js, becomes even more powerful and can be used to develop independent applications for the desktop as well. Python versus JavaScript. Now that we have a basic understanding of these two languages, let us dive into the differences. Code blocks. Python uses indentation for defining code blocks. A block code must be indented at each line to be considered as part of the code block, while in the case of JavaScript, the curly brace symbol is used for categorizing statements of the same code block. Variable naming conventions. As per the Python style guide, variable names follow similar conventions as function names. Function names must be in lowercase with words that are separated by underscores wherever required to enhance the readability. In contrast, the lower camel case naming style is used in JavaScript. The name begins with a lowercase followed by words beginning with an uppercase letter. The variable names also use concise, easy to read semantic names wherever possible. Functional arguments. Python and JavaScript react differently in the case of functional arguments. Python raises an exception of if a function gets called due to parameters being incorrect. Furthermore, it accepts additional parameters to pass syntax as well. On the other hand, JavaScript does not react even if the parameters that have been raised are incorrect. The reason behind this is that JavaScript gets an undefined value in cases where few parameters are missing. Also, when additional parameters are required, they are considered special arguments. Mobile app development. JavaScript is a full stack language which makes it suitable for both web and mobile app development. Python is not native to the mobile app development environment since both iOS and Android do not support it as their official programming language. Well, the differences are not that many, and there is a lot in common between these two. The choice ultimately depends on your requirements, scope of work, and inclination towards a specific language. I hope this video is informative. You can like it and share it. If you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe my channel and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching my video. Wish you all the success. See you.